If you have mast cell activation, it's critical to get outdoor time. The reason is indoors, there's lots of things that aggravate your body, and outdoors, there's lots of things that calm your immune system down, right? So indoors, what can aggravate your immune system? Mycotoxins, particulate matter in the air, electromagnetic frequencies, EMFs, things like that. These things all can impact your immune system. Also, past traumas have often occurred, or past situations have occurred inside your house that you have difficult memories with. So sometimes you'll look at objects, or you'll look at different things inside your house, and they'll remind you subconsciously of things that happened in the past. This is also something that puts your brain into a state of threat, whether you realize it or not. So if you're going outdoors, guess what you get? You get lots of nature, you get lots of green, get away from the EMFs, you get away from the mold, you get into clean air. You have things in the environment, like out here in nature, that help to stimulate your immune response. You got the terpenes in the air, you got the negative ions that come off these trees, etc. You got to be able to get yourself grounded somehow. You can't be stuck in this constant thought loop indoors. Hey, I can't go outside because it's too hot, it's too cold, it's too cloudy, it's raining, it's everything. I have no energy, whatever it is. Trust me, I was there. But until you push yourself to go outside and spend some time in nature and appreciate things like this tree behind me, things like just the simplest of things. Be present in the moment out here in nature with God, and be one and be whole. And then you start to find yourself again. You don't get so lost in the circles of thoughts that you end up inside as you're staring at a wall, thinking about what's the next thing you're going to react to, or what's the next fear you got to protect yourself from. Like I said, I've been there. Mast cell activation is not fun to be in that situation. Absolutely not. So go out to nature, let yourself heal. Get yourself some time to think. Calm your brain down, calm your body down. Tell your body everything's okay. Outdoors is how you're going to heal, not indoors. Indoors is probably the reason that you got sick in the first place. Usually mycotoxins are involved when you have mast cell activation. Usually there's some type of air quality issue. There's some type of trauma component that often is tied to the things that we observe in our environment that we live in. There's so many things that can keep you trapped when you're indoors. So spend your time outdoors. Rewire your brain when you're outdoors. Calm your body down. Do meditations. Do deep breathing outdoors. Go for long trail walks. Sit by the water. Put your feet in the water. Look at the animals. Look at the fish. Look at the birds. Listen to them. Start to become more present in your day. Present in your body. Present in the way things feel. Present with your emotions. Dealing with some of the things that happened in the past and saying, okay, I'm okay with these things now. And looking forward to the healing in the future. These are the things that could come about when you're out in nature, not when you're staring at a wall or staring at a television screen.